Hola, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the rich and flavorful world of Argentine cuisine. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we explore the mysteries surrounding one of Argentina's culinary gems, Sopa de Pescado. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our delicious content. Origins. Our first unknown fact. The origins of Sopa de Pescado. Did you know that this savory delight has deep roots in Spanish and Italian culinary traditions? It made its way to Argentina through the influence of European immigrants who brought their love for fish-based dishes. Today, it stands as a delicious testament to the fusion of cultures in Argentine gastronomy. Now, let's talk about the unique ingredients that make Argentine Sopa de Pescado stand out. Of course, fish takes center stage. But it's the variety of local fish that gives this soup its distinct flavor. From Patagonian toothfish to fresh river trout, the choices are as diverse as Argentina's geography. Argentina is a vast country with different regions, each adding its own twist to Sopa de Pescado. In the coastal areas, you might find a seafood-packed version, while inland regions showcase river fish. The regional variations make this dish a true reflection of Argentina's diverse landscapes and culinary heritage. Secret spice blends. Now, let's talk about the secret spice blends that elevate Argentine Sopa de Pescado to a whole new level. Traditional Argentine herbs like oregano and parsley are combined with indigenous spices, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. These unique spice blends are often family secrets, passed down from generation to generation. Served with a side of tradition. One of the most fascinating aspects of Argentine Sopa de Pescado is the way it's served with a side of tradition. Many families have a specific day or celebration when they gather to enjoy this hearty soup together. It's not just a meal, it's a celebration of togetherness and culinary heritage. Did you know that Sopa de Pescado holds cultural symbolism in Argentina? It's often enjoyed during Lent, a period of fasting and reflection leading up to Easter. The tradition of preparing and sharing this fish soup during Lent has become a meaningful ritual for many Argentine families, emphasizing the cultural intertwining of food and religious practices. Fusion of indigenous ingredients. Here's a fascinating twist. Some recipes incorporate indigenous ingredients, like yacar meat or Amazonian fish species. This fusion of traditional European flavors with native ingredients creates a unique blend that reflects Argentina's rich biodiversity and cultural diversity. Beyond its delectable taste, Sopa de Pescado is often hailed for its perceived healing properties. Locals believe that the combination of fish, herbs, and spices not only satisfies the taste buds but also provides nourishment and comfort, making it a go-to remedy for colds, fatigue, and even broken hearts. Ritual of soup making. In many Argentine households, the preparation of Sopa de Pescado is considered a sacred ritual. Families gather in the kitchen, sharing stories and laughter as they contribute to the creation of this beloved dish. It's not just about the final product. It's about the joy of coming together and creating lasting memories. Sopa de Pescado in literature. Believe it or not, Sopa de Pescado has made its way into Argentine literature. It's mentioned in various poems, stories, and novels, becoming a symbol of home, comfort, and the essence of Argentine identity. The connection between literature and this humble fish soup beautifully illustrates its cultural significance. Delving into the historical roots of Sopa de Pescado, did you know that it has ties to the early Spanish settlers in Argentina? The recipe evolved as a response to the abundance of fresh fish in the region, creating a dish that not only satisfied culinary preferences but also adapted to the available local ingredients. Here's an interesting twist. Sopa de Pescado often undergoes seasonal variations based on the availability of certain ingredients. In the colder months, you might find heartier versions with root vegetables, while summer renditions may showcase lighter, herb-infused broths. The adaptability of the soup to the seasons adds a dynamic element to its culinary narrative. Fusion with indigenous cooking techniques. Many families across Argentina have incorporated indigenous cooking techniques into the preparation of Sopa de Pescado. From using clay pots for slow simmering to infusing the soup with smoky flavors using traditional smoking methods, these techniques not only enhance the taste but also pay homage to the country's diverse culinary heritage. And there you have it, amigos. the untold stories and hidden gems behind Argentine Sopa de Pescado. I hope you enjoyed this flavorful journey with us. If you have any favorite fish soup recipes or unknown facts about Argentine cuisine, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it interesting. Until next time, buen provecho!